Hello learners, I'm going to start question number 6 of your exercise 4.5 and this chapter is factorization. So let's see what is given in question number 6. Our question says that factorize aq plus bq plus a plus b. Okay. As I saw aq plus bq, quickly I have written the formula of aq plus bq, and that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now you can see here is a plus b, and already there was a plus b in our expression. So from both the places, from this group and from here, I have taken a plus b as common. That was the first method, taking common factor outside the bracket. Then what is the remaining thing here? Here is a square minus ab plus b square plus 1. Please don't forget to write plus 1 here, because generally children were thinking that okay, these things are outside the bracket, so this one is only left. What about this place? A plus b into 1 is this one, so you must mention this one also plus 1. So these are the two factors of your this expression, and your answer is over. Now similar question is here for aq minus bq. See how I have solved. aq minus bq is equals minus a plus b. So first of all, what I did, I have tried to convert into a minus b. So minus I have taken as common, so inside the bracket there is a minus b. Now aq minus bq can be written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and here is also minus a minus b. Okay, from both the places we will take a minus b as common. Then here is what, a square plus ab plus b square, and minus nothing was there, it means minus 1. So these are the two factors of this algebraic expression. Now 7th first question was x cube plus x plus 2. If we will think any method, whether exercise 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 or this one, directly we can't solve it by using any method. Then what we'll do, we have to use some trick. What I have done here, I have split it 2 into 2 terms, 1 plus 1. So there is two numbers, x cube plus 1 and x plus 1. Instead of writing 2, I split it into 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now you can easily see that this is a cube plus b cube formula we will use here, and x plus 1 just like sixth first number. Now we are having this equation, and now we'll solve it. Instead of writing x cube plus 1 cube, what I have written, x plus 1 into x square minus x into 1, that is a into b, plus 1 square. I hope it is clear. It is a square minus ab plus b square, and this was a plus b, right? And copied it as it is. Now from first group and from second group, we can see x plus 1 can be taken as common factor outside the bracket, so I have done that. X plus 1 is outside the bracket, so inside the bracket there is x square. Here is x into 1 means x, and this 1, and here is also 1. So this 1 plus 1 is 2, and rest things are as it is. So these are the two factors of this algebraic expression. Now last question of this video will be this one, a cube minus b cube minus a plus b. Again we will write the formula of a cube minus b cube. Before that, what we will do, we will take minus as common, so that we are having something common, that is a minus b. We can't take a plus b as common, because in our formula there is a minus b. So smartly, because question also gives you clue or hint that you just take minus, so that a minus b, and because after that step you need to take common outside from the expression. If here is a plus b and here a minus b, you can't take common. So I did it, I have taken minus as common, then inside the bracket there is a minus b. Then I have written this formula, a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now from both the groups, I have taken a minus b as common. Then inside the bracket, a square plus ab plus b square, here is nothing, means minus 1, and these are the two factors of this algebraic expression. Thank you everyone. If you are getting any problem in any video, or if you are searching and you are not getting that, please go through my personal channel, that is Let's Learn with RK. You will see all the chapters, all sums there. Even if you want any other author's book, you just mention in my comment section, I will solve that one also. Till then, bye bye children, and my all viewers, bye.